Sabihin mo na kayo.
For today, guys, let's go grow a garden. Okay, okay. Let's go grow a garden. I don't know Fiona because she's mapangit.
I'm gonna smack your ass.
Ayan, boy. Go grow garden. Let's go grow garden, guys.
Let's go grow sa gross.
Let's go grow
sa
grow.
gross ay mamalas.
Uy, I wanna run away.
Ikaw ay naka-display.
Let's go growy. Thunder po, guys. Anak ko po, thunder.
Wait, block ko lang.
Wow, ang laki ng garden.
It's my pet.
Look my pet. I have here an eco frog. I'm gonna give away our eco frog for today's video.
Look my garden.
Look my garden, guys.
And upgraded. So, na bloodshed. Yan, ano bloodshed dog mo. Para pwede ka pang skip. Hindi, ito.
Ay, hindi ka marunong mag-smack.
Wala. Okay, tapos sabihin mo na kung nag-ano kami.
For today's guys, let's go max hour for today's video. Now for today's, let's go compare it. And then, okay.
Offer mo na. Offer mo na.
Oh, hindi.
Pwede ka pa, pwede mag-egg. I have a legendary egg. Sabihin mo.
I have a legendary egg for today's video.
Tignan mo
Let's go put it over here.
Legendary. Pets. Giveaway B.
Giveaway
Snail. Di ba snail? Lagyan mo dyan. Di mo ilagay din. O, di ba?
Kung may
Apat na iba. Tingala ko si Iba nila? Di ba tatlo lang yan? Thank you po.
Giveaway for a new video, guys.
Gusto malaga.
Giveaway a eco frog. Giveaway a eco frog. Who wants eco frog? Just join me and give me your username. Giveaway a eco frog. Me.
Giveaway godly. I watch this giveaway godly for my fans.
Yeah.
Watch this.
You know this guy, that is my fans. You know?
Anong fans?
That's my subscribers.
Yung subscribers. Ayan, giveaway godly. Yan, mamimigay tayo ng
We're giving this guy is godly.
ha? Ano sabihin mo?
And who wants the eco frog? You want eco frog? I give it to him. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
for
Thank
today's
you for
video.
watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.